So I've been told that unboxings are really huge on YouTube. Here's mine, an edible unboxing, all right? Erica has driven all the way from LA with donuts and cookies made from her recipes and mine with no sugar, no oil, no flour except chickpea flour, which doesn't count as a flour. Here's the box, just so you know. So we've taken the cookies out now. Look at these beauties. And these are unbelievable because these have 3 ingredients in them. 3 ingredients. And they're all good food. And these have more ingredients, including chocolate chips, but you won't object to that. But unlike any chocolate chip cookie you've probably made or eaten, this is a meal. It's really good for you. There's nothing in it but good food. There's protein, fiber, all kinds of vitamins and minerals. I'll be putting the recipes out in my letter, so please subscribe to Lynn's list. And to do that, go on lynnbowman.com and subscribe, and I will send you the recipe, which, even though, kind of embarrassing, 3 ingredients, but look at these little beauties. They're shortbread texture and taste, and they are mostly almonds. Here are the donuts from our brownies for breakfast recipes, and then she's riffed a little bit and invented a couple beautiful new ones. All these donuts are made with no butter, no flour. They are high protein. They're made with nut butters and pumpkin, chickpea flour, which is a very high protein legume flour. So this tray of wonderfulness is just as beautiful nutritionally as it is to look at and to eat. I mean, who does not love a chocolate frosting donut with sprinkles? This is cinnamon sugar flavor with no sugar. These are strawberry shortcake made with dried strawberries. Are those not gorgeous? And I wish you could smell this, because these are lavender lemon. This is chocolate, of course, with little nuts on top. This is coconut, and this is chocolate with sprinkles. And oh my gosh, the idea that I could just have a donut or 2, or that you could have a donut or 2, or your kids could have a donut or 2 or 3, and it's all good food. It's just great food. The recipes mostly are in Brownies for Breakfast, but we'll be posting the special ones for the strawberry shortcake donut and the lemon lavender donut.